Thanks for tuning in to Essential RC. I have my friend Dean with me. I like to have guest pilots on this because it really does help me out do these, because I can't film them and fly them at the same time. And Dean is Dean. You normally fly DLGs, don't you? Discus launch gliders.
Yes, yeah, very different to this model today.
I've never seen you fly anything else. That's all you come down with. But he can fly. That's the important thing. And I've reviewed a lot of these micro warbirds over the years, and this is Eachine's latest FW190. Reviewed, I don't know, I've reviewed 20, 30 of them over the last few years. So let's take it out of the box.
Okay.
Let's see what we get. Put that under there. So, in the box you get the instructions. They're the flight batteries. You get 3 flight batteries. You can tell I literally have not taken this out of the box. Let's take the model out. There you go. You hold that, Dean. Show the viewers what it looks like.
Looks very pretty.
Classic. Oh no, not a FW1. What did I say? FW190?
Yeah, oh, it's a Corsair, isn't it?
Well, you should have corrected me.
I tried to.
Comedy. It's an F4U Corsair. Everybody's screaming at me. What is he talking about, FW190? It's a North American Corsair. F4U Corsair. So, props. You get 2 props, 3 blades, nice scale props. You get the charge lead, USB charge lead for the batteries. They'll take about an hour each to charge up. And you get wheels as well, actually, but I don't tend to bother with those because we're flying off grass and they just wouldn't last 5 seconds. The transmitter is underneath. That's our standard kind of Eachine transmitter with the sticks, on-off switch, trims, aerobatics button as well.
Wow.
So you can be flying along, you hit the button and then put the right stick over and it will do a roll for you, or will even do a loop for you as well. And you've got 3 modes, expert, mid and beginner modes. I always fly mid mode. Beginner mode gives you not a lot of roll angle, so it takes a very long time to turn. Mid is about right, expert is far too sensitive ordinarily. But we need to put some double A's in that, so we'll do that now. And then we'll get this FW190 in the air. F4U Corsair. Right, we are ready. So we turned on the transmitter, the light was flashing, then we put the flight battery in. Then on the left stick on the transmitter, Dean did up and down, and that arms it. I've just told them that this is gyro assisted. He was surprised at that. Yes, it has a gyro. And just a bit of power and it's gonna go. So we're in mid mode. Should be relatively easy. You ready, Dean?
Yes, ready.
All right. Bit of power. Oh, you needed full power for takeoff.
Okay.
It's all right.
That's my mistake then.
All right, so the propeller had come off. We just popped it back on. That's what it's designed to do. Full power on takeoff, Dean.
Okay.
Get some height and then go half power, I would.
Okay.
All right, so into wind. The wind sock shows the wind is coming down the hill. Here we go. Ease away. Now the wind is like 15-20 miles an hour today. Ordinarily, a little machine like this would not fly very well. But I've always been amazed at these little warbirds with their gyro. He's playing with the wind already. What do you think, Dean?
Very well. It's a lot smoother with the gyro.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, very lively as well if you give it some power.
But it's got the right amount of power.
Yes. Yeah. See if I can play with the wind. Weather conditions, the gyro is doing an amazing job.
Yeah.
It's extremely bumpy out there.
Yeah, oh yeah. But it's a good test. Whoa! Turn left and give us a downwind pass next time.
Will that be into the sun?
No, down from left to right.
Okay.
Downhill.
Right.
So go up a bit and then left.
That is extremely windy up there.
Yeah, it's not DLG weather.
No. Sorry,
That's all right.
wind caught me out there. That is blustering. The plane's handled it so well.
Now, what I'm always amazed by how long these things will fly. You're going to get 15-20 minutes out of this battery, and I've got 3 batteries. Like you've got a full hour, you know, got almost an hour of flying.
Can't get over how windy it is and how well the plane's flying.
Yeah. Yeah. And this is what gyros are all about. Some people think, oh, it's flying the plane for you. It's not. It's just, it's dealing with the turbulence on the airplane. It's not over, you know, doing anything over and above your inputs.
Flies lovely and slow.
I think he's doing a Harrier. Right, Dean, do you want to do one more time round, then
Okay.
bring it for a landing? Oh my God!
I think I'll bring it in for a landing now.
All right,
That's all right.
yeah, close.
Yeah.
Really is windy now. Got a thermal blowing through. At least it's warm. There we go. No surprise, the propeller has popped off. That's fine. There you go. Will you hand me the radio and go and pick it up? If you bring it over here, Dean, show how the propeller clicks on. If you line it up, there you go.
Back on.
Yeah, it's designed to do that. Fantastic. So, thoughts?
Very, very good model. Terrible conditions, very, very blustering.
Look at the
Handled it
windsock.
very, very well.
20 mile an hour, definitely, if not more.
And it was blowing through the hedgerow behind us, so it's very turbulent air. But it was the first time I've ever flown a model with a gyro, and I'm so amazed that it smoothed it out so well. Challenging conditions, but the model proved itself to be a very good model.
Brilliant.
I look really forward to flying it on a calmer day.
Right. So again, I apologise for my scale aircraft recognition. This is not an FW190, it's an F4U CORSAIR, as flown on the north by the Americans during World War II. Beautiful airplane. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Look it up for the price. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks again, Dean.
Bye bye.